What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and this video is going to be on how I made over $2,000 with one Facebook post, and this is the post right here. So as you can see, it's not anything like super extravagant. You know, it only got 114 it's 22 comments and 6 shares. That's it. So it's, again, nothing like super extravagant. Now we're going to go over a few things you need before you can actually do this. So go over to teamdeangelo.net. You don't need to pay, you don't need to sign up or anything for this course right here. All you got to do is click 6 figures with Facebook. You have to complete this training before doing this, because odds are you're doing Facebook wrong if you haven't done this training or if you aren't making $100,000 a year from your Facebook profile, right? So once you do that training, once you do this, this training right here, go through and, you can just literally just click them, guys. They're 100% free. Alright, so can't make it any easier. This is a 100% free method. You don't need to do anything. Alright, so once you do that, go ahead and you're gonna come over to your Facebook account, and after you get all the right people and stuff. So again, this isn't an overnight process. If you already did the training, which you should have if you're been on the channel for a while, because I've been telling people for a long time, just go and do that training. But basically what you need to do is, first, you need to make a post like this. So what's the latest opportunity? Need to add another stream of income, right? And everyone loves to pitch people. People love to pitch people, right? So, if you go into a Making Money Online group, right? People are going to be like, hey, well, if you go, hey, I need a way to make money, that post is going to get hundreds of comments. If you post something like, who wants to make $100 a day in the right group, odds are make it like maybe 10, 20. Even on a really, really decent group, it might maybe get 100 comments or whatever to blow up. But for the most part, that really doesn't happen, But if you say something like, hey, I need another stream of income, what's the latest thing out there? Or does anybody, if you go into a crypto group and be like, hey, I need to make some extra money. Hey, who got a way where I can make some extra money? Basically just asking, for people to pitch you pretty much, right? So once you do that, let's bring out our handy dandy whiteboard. Alright, I gotta get it all set up. Alright, sweet. So we still in there. Alright, so once you get all of this set up, right? So let's say this is the Facebook post, so I can give you guys, I'm all about those examples, right? Those visuals. So this is the Facebook post right here. So this is the first one you make. So this is number 1. Alright? So when you make this post here, everyone is going to try and pitch you their opportunity. Alright? And it really doesn't matter how good or bad. Well, obviously it matters. A lot of people, if you have the right people on your friends list, they're going to pitch you. It's just that simple. If you have any making money online opportunity friends, are going to tell you what the latest one is. They're going to put their links in there. They're going to do all of that stuff, right? And then that post is going to start getting a lot of traction. It's going to get a lot of people coming to it. Now, that's phase 1. So once you do that, you got all those people, they're going to be inboxing you, they're going to be doing all of that, right? So these people are going to be, trying to pitch you on what they got. So once you do that, it's very simple. Well, the way Facebook, works is basically like you ever go and you like someone's picture or you comment on their post, and then as soon as they make another post, you instantly see their post out of nowhere. Even though you can never talk to that person before, but if you go on their post and be like, oh man, that's an awesome picture, and then out of nowhere you'll just start seeing their stuff all the time, or you'll start seeing very next post that they make, and that's how this works here. Right? So once all of those people, as you can see right here, so this is our second post here. So once all of those people had comment on there, we're going to make our second post. So the second post is going to be a motivational post, right? So we go back over here, and I'm literally just showing you guys this is what I'm doing, guys. I'm not sitting here hiding stuff. I'm not doing any of that. I'm showing you exactly step by step how you can do this, right? Now you can switch this up and put it into whatever you want. You can have your channel built around ClickFunnels, MyEcon, or whatever it is you're promoting, all right? So this is step 1. This is the step 1 post. You're going to get people to comment, try to pitch you, and all that stuff. And then this is going to be the second one. All right. So this is one right here. I was talking about how I had ran into my pastor, right? So basically this whole post right here just tells people to stop wishing and hoping and praying for shit and actually try to get some shit done. right? Like stop like wishing for fucking miracles to happen, and not go out there and make your own. People will hit you up right away, just like, especially those people who just been sitting there watching you make money. They're like, you know what, bro, you're right. I've been sitting here just, just waiting for something to happen. I've been waiting for the opportunity. I've been waiting. It's time for me to really take some action, bro. I'm about to go sign up right now. I'm about to go sign up right now. I'm about to go do this right now, right? And that's exactly how it goes, right? Now, the reason, again, why this works so well is because all the people who comment on your stuff, right, from the first post, odds are now they're going to see your second post. So I have people try to pitch me on stuff, and they're like, oh, I'm gonna join this day or whatever, and then they're like, oh, I'm gonna, and then instead they're gonna try to pitch me on whatever they're doing or whatever. So then once the second post hit them, it's like, damn, bro, like, dudes, right? Like, I really need to stop playing. If I really wanted to get this seriously, like, basically you want that wake up post, motivation, wake up. Some people just really just need like that kick in the ass, slap to the face, whatever you want to call it, to just wake up and get the wheels, get them rolling, right? So again, all those people are going to start seeing your post or whatever because they comment on your last post, and then odds are as well they're going to, some people, obviously not every single one, but a lot of people are going to send you a message. Now, the best part about when they send you a message is that when they go to message you, right? Yes, I know my drawing skills are on point, guys, right? But so once they go to message you, let's say this is like a little message right here, right? There's going to be like a little story thing right there. As soon as they go message you, and if you have like, you got to kind of time it perfectly where like you have money like in the thing so people will click it, right? So when people see it, they come to message you to pitch you on your stuff. They're going to be like, they're going to go to your storyline and be like, oh, I just made $2,000 today. They're like, damn, how did dude make $2,000? Hold on, let me see what he doing, right? And then they might go back to your page, right? And then they might just see all the stuff that you're doing. They're like, damn, instead of me pitching, dude, what is he doing, right? Or they might try to help you out as well. Like, hey man, I'm doing this. This is what I'm doing right now. But what are you doing? Right? I see you're doing CPA. I see you're doing, buying and selling websites. I see you are starting courses. I see you got training going. What are you doing? Can I get some links from you as well? And then that's how it all goes, guys. And that's literally how I was able to make this money, right? And then, you can even take it a step further, right? And as you can see, I'm making this video right now, like, explaining how I was able to make the money or whatever. And then, from here, I made over $2,000, for my last post. Let me know if you want the free training. So I'm making the free training right now. Then once I upload this video, I'm going to send it to all those people. And then, from there, let's do this, right? So that's step 1, step 2, and then we got step 3. So this one's optional or whatever. But then you can explain how you did it to help other people out, right? So basically you're just going to give massive amount of value. And once you just start giving value, right, people just like, I don't know, it's like they feel like they owe you money, like for real. I don't know, like how it's like if you go to like any of these channels or whatever, like, and they're just like always giving you like advice. Let's say you go to like a workout channel, they're always giving you advice. They're always putting in effort. They are there every day, taking time out of their day to, try to help you make money. You're replying to comments. You're doing all of this stuff on a daily basis. Like people just like feel indebted to you. They're like, damn, bro's giving out so much value, or dude's doing this, or she's doing that. Oh man, and then you drop a course or something, or something like that. They're like, they feel like they're obligated to go get your course because they've gotten so much free shit from you already, right? It's like if you do something for someone over and over and over and over and over, and then you ask them like, hey, can you take me to the store? And you've given them a ride to work every single day for like the last 2 years, and they just got a car or whatever. Like, hey man, can you take me to work? They're like, oh yeah, sure, no problem. Because I was already gonna say yeah, no problem, because I mean like they can like 2 years of you giving me rides every day. Of course I can give you a ride to work today, bro. Like I mean, that's how it's gonna go. But I got a little sidetracked there or whatever. But so basically on your post right there, this is like if you have a course, or if you're, let's say you're part of like a Team DeAngelo thing, right? If you're part of Team DeAngelo, you can then do the same exact thing, follow the same exact thing I just did, and then send them to your landing page in the back office. So like this video is going to be in the landing page, in the for your guys' back office in Team DeAngelo, and then there'll be links down below where people can go and sign up and become a Team DeAngelo member, then you would get your commission. So this is for the people who don't have training. If you already have training, then you can just, obviously plug this in with your own stuff. But yeah, guys, so from there, from that post, you're going to send them to your landing page or to YouTube or wherever, and then that's how you're going to get even more money off of this, right? So it's a very, very, very simple process. Very simple, guys. It's very simple. I just broke it down and showed you exactly how I did this, right? Now, again, you can plug this in with your own stuff, guys. It doesn't matter. You can do this with ClickBank. You can do this with CPA. You can do this with Shopify. You can do this with anything along those lines. Like, all you have to do is simply do the work. Like, do it. There's nothing more I can say about this. Like, look at this. Like, look, I only have 209 followers on this profile. My page got over, 300 something followers in one day. You guys can do this, guys, okay? And this is a profile. This is literally just the profile. I didn't spend any money. I didn't do anything other than make a few posts and send people to YouTube. That's it. So, again, I can't make this any easier. If you didn't do this training right here, go do this training. It's 100% free. Again, I don't know how to make this any easier. I keep saying that, guys, because it's true. Like, how can I make this any easier? I literally just broke this down for you step by step by step. Right? You saw the post I used. You know where I sent people. I can't make it any. This is damn near free, done for you campaign. And all you got to do is make a few posts. Right? So that is pretty much it, guys. Again, this is on teamdeangelo.net. You don't even have to log in. You don't have to be a member. All you have to do is just click 6 figures with Facebook, and then, go through, watch all of this stuff here, because it's going to be very helpful, because you cannot do this method I'm talking about right now with the wrong people on your profile. It's not going to work. It's just not going to work. I can tell you that right now. If you try to do this with, let's say, regular, everyday 9 to 5 people on your profile, basically, it's just going to have a negative effect, right? Because everybody on my profile is about making money. They're a business owner. They're a marketer, every single person just about, right? And anytime someone comments stupid on any of my posts, they instantly get deleted. I don't argue with them or anything. Goodbye. Done, right? That's how you ought to always be cleaning and cleansing your profile. You want to be cleaning your profile every single day. Like, you'll see me make a post about Trump sometimes just to see how people react, or I'll say something, just like some real shit, just to like get all the fake people off of my profile, and all the people who aren't serious about making money and all of that, right? So I'm like, as you can see, look at that, like, and then once you, another good thing to do as well, guys, is to reply to the comments, after a while. Like, obviously I gotta reply to these ones right away here, but once you get the post started up and you want to keep it going or whatever, reply to people late. Like, so example would be this post right here, right? So it's been like 4 hours. So then a couple hours. So then I'll reply to these people here, so that it can kind of boost up again, and you can just keep doing it over and over and over, as long as the post is going. And then obviously the more posts, the stuff it's gonna keep going, guys, right? But again, that is pretty much it. Just a really quick recap here. First thing you want to do is make a post asking for some type of help, or I wouldn't really say for help, but just ask for what's the latest opportunity? What's everybody doing? Hey, I need a new income source or something along those lines, right? So then you got to have a lot of people start pitching you, right? And then after that, that's when you're going to hit everybody with the wake up post, right? The motivational post. This can be your own experience, or whatever. And this is basically what my experience was here. I was just talking about how the pastor, basically told me how God did everything or whatever. And I was like, no, I'm pretty sure I was the one that was, working 80 hours a week, so I don't have to work 40, stand up really late nights, learn as much as possible, doing this, doing that, And then a lot of people can relate with that, because, a lot of people are going to be like, oh, no, you didn't do anything, right? Especially, no, you didn't do anything. You didn't do anything. You didn't do anything, right? You didn't work hard for that. You got lucky. Like, mind-blowing that stuff. Like, you can work really, really, really hard. Like, being a marketer is not easy. That's why 9 out of 10 people fail at this. You can work hard every single day. You can stay up late every single night. You can spend thousands of dollars on a campaign. You can spend thousands of dollars on courses. You can do all of this stuff, that the normal person is not willing to do. And then as soon as you start seeing results and you start making money, after, all this hard work you don't put in, he just got lucky. He's lucky. Oh man, I wish I could be that lucky. Like, no, motherfucker, I worked for this. I worked hard for this, right? But even something as simple as making it to this far in the video. 9 out of 10 people will not make it this far in the video because they aren't serious about making money. Now, obviously, this doesn't apply to people who are already making money. But if they're the one of those types of people that's always complaining about how they can't make money and they follow me, it's a choice. I don't care what anyone says. If you follow me and you don't make money, it's a 100% choice. Because, I mean, there's, like, what else can I do for you? I just gave you damn near a free done for you campaign. I told you exactly how I just made $2,000, and I told you exactly how you can duplicate it step by step by step. I gave you plenty of examples. I told you where people are going. There's nothing more I can do for you, right? If you're a Team DeAngelo member, you can literally copy all of this and send them to the same landing pages, right? So, not trying to hear it. But that is pretty much it, guys. If you got any questions, just drop them down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.